Hi everyone, I am Mihir Sharma, a first year undergraduate currently in my Btech Biotech SRP here at Shoolini University. SRP stands for Summit Research Program, India's first research program for undergraduates. Science is all about ideas and patents turn ideas into action. When I was in school, I was unaware about the idea of patents. But when I got over here at Shoolini University, I was amazed by the tremendous job done by the intellectual property rights cell of our institution. Shoolini is India's first university to have one student, one patent policy, wherein the IPR cell helps students to file patents during their undergraduation. I am truly excited for this journey to file a patent very soon. If you are truly excited for research and discovery is in your DNA, then I believe Shoolini is the best place for you. Come and join us.